Righto, just finished drawing up 2 bulkheads, which is what you use to make the bow contour to what shape you want. This took me 40 minutes, 5:30 to 6:10, and now I'm clocking off for dinner. I'll probably get both coamings done tonight and maybe the rear deck as well. Cheers. Yep, I came up here at 6:30. It's now 8:10. Managed on the first sheet. Done the floor. One of the coamings. Yeah, that's about it for the and the rear deck for this first sheet. Smashed the camera in the process, so I can't see what I'm filming. Tomorrow night I'll finish the nesting on the second sheet and then put the nails in all the crosshairs I've marked. Get ready to put the splines in. Cheers.